If you're built SwiftUI apps that work but you hesitate to show the code to another developer, this will sound familiar. Your app works but the code feels messy, hard to scale, hard to maintain, and you're not confident shipping it or letting anyone else read it. I've been there. As you can see, here's a little example of a messy app. All the logic lives inside the actual view, the content view, including the database persistence, using the model context for inserting new records into the database. And also this makes it very fragile to test. And each time when you add a new feature, the actual file becomes bigger and bigger. So testing and refactoring becomes very painful and risky. Most SwiftUI tutorials teaches features, how to build a view, how to use core data, how to add animation or speech, but they almost never show you what a production-ready SwiftUI app actually looks like. Not a sample, not a throwaway demo. A real project with clean structure, clean architecture, and code that you feel confident in shipping and showing, even within an interview. That's the gap that holds a lot of developers back. I've worked professionally as an iOS developer for years, including at Apple and LexisNexis, and when I review SwiftUI code, the problem is almost never syntax, it's structural problem, such as how everything is held together within the app and how the app grows. And that's the part that most tutorials skip. And that's why I released the production-ready SwiftUI app, not as another tutorial series, but as a reference project. It's a real SwiftUI app built the way how a professional SwiftUI app should be built. As you can see, it includes views, view model, repository, protocols, extension, and other models. You get the entire source code so you can study and reuse it. No fluff, no filler, just real production quality SwiftUI. Let me be very clear, this is not for absolute beginners and it's not for a step-by-step tutorial guide. This is for developers who already know SwiftUI basics and want answer to questions such as, how should I actually structure my app? What does professional SwiftUI code look like? What does production ready really mean in practice? If you want deep guided teaching on a specific technology, I already offer those courses, such as my SwiftUI speech and language translator course, and also my core data in practice with SwiftUI. Those courses go deeper by step instructions. This is different. This is a reference project that you can come back to every time you start a new app. And right now, the full source code is available for £49, less than the cost of shipping another app you'll be proud of. If you're ready to move beyond tutorial apps and start building SwiftUI apps that actually feel professional, take a look at the production-ready SwiftUI app. The link is below within the description.